adventure.
Remember, this is gonna have sound. I'm just gonna speed it up. Huh? So, go find Patty. Oh, she's back in stairs. That's perfect. Oh, zigzag pattern in?
Okay, we got the incubator, and our final reveal for the animal is a chicken. We have 8 eggs today. We might have more, but I'll see you later when we get the eggs. Bye. Hey, this is Farmer Eitan. Today we're gonna assemble the egg incubator. So we got the box right here. There it goes. And it closes on me. So we got the instructions right here. I'm gonna take this off. And that looks pretty good. Oh, good. There it goes. Okay. There's no. Oh, there it is. So, push this down. Okay. I'm a man, so usually I'm not going to read the instructions, but today I'm not trying to break something, so. Okay. Assembling. Place the egg tray onto the base. Ensure the tray sits fit. Okay, so how are we going to take this off? It's taped. Almost got it. There it goes. I don't know if there's any more tape. Yep, there is. Can't get it off my fingers. Okay, now we got it off. Okay, so it says place the egg tray onto the base. Make sure the tray sits flat and level. So, don't take that out. Okay, so we put that. If it wants to go in, there it goes. So that's our egg turner right there. And that's just our base. I don't know if there's any purpose for that. Pretty sure there is. And then we'll put the top on. There it goes. So just found the cords. It's definitely something I had to look for. Oh, I can never have something neat. I always rip it. I've never seen anyone make a box that's shaped like a triangle. Okay, let's see. What is this? This one? Well, all I know is it's a plug-in. This is the adapter. Okay. Put this in here. Okay. Okay, I got that plugged in. I just need to undo this, which is the extension. Well, it's actually what plugs into the socket, or that, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like a computer trick out of school. Okay. And then we plug it in here. Which, on the instructions, it says that this is supposed to be our egg turner, which takes power from the thing that we're going to plug in, the wall, and makes it turn. Now we're going to power it on and get the temperature and humidity set, which you plug it in, and it will preset to the right temperature when for the first 21 days of their egg form. Because then the last 3 days, it can't be that warm, which, gotta carefully lower this in. Okay, so now, I'll flip this little vent so it doesn't get too hot in there. Well, yeah, so it doesn't get too humid in there, because that could hurt the eggs. I don't know if there's a vent over there. Nope. And that's just how the whole machine works. Guys, from Eitan, today I'm getting fertilized eggs from Tom Kids Farm. This is DJ, this is Shay, this is Clay, and this is Amelia.
Hello.
So, I'm going to show you the chickens that we got eggs from today. These are the chickens. All of them. This one's name is Goldie. I don't know if it's and then they have two roosters over here. Right here and right here. They're both really hairy. This one is called, actually I don't remember what it's called, but it has like green on its back. I can get it, I'll show you. I'm not sure right now. That's a rooster.
2 roosters.
So.
Okay.
This one's like a brownish. It's like an average duck. I mean, chicken.
It's a very interesting.
You want to go down there?
Non-stop. Guinea pigs after guinea pigs.
No, I don't think I'm going to be able to pick up the roosters today.
It's funny too, because like they're never afraid of the kids.
Be careful. Be nice.
You got him!
What's its name? Is that Smokey?
Good job!
Is that a rooster?
Yeah.
Oh, God. So this is what day they were laid, like what day they were born. And this isn't the right box, but the other box has dots on it, which means those are the ones that are fertilized. So those were like the earliest, and these ones are younger. Okay. They're all fertilized, but the ones with the dots are the ones that are confirmed. See, these ones have dots. So the dots mean that they are verified to be, to have growing embryos. They are verified to have growing embryos. We got 18 today, but it can hold 22. So we are planning on getting more soon. But they only had 18 today. That's all of them for right now. 17 total, and we're going to put the top on. does that fit? Okay, now it's in there, and it'll automatically spin. So we just push these two buttons. I press once. And I'll turn the eggs, which will make heat on different parts of the egg.